Hi guys, I'm Michaela and this is my first vlog channel, and please, before I start my video, I will just tell you that please subscribe and comment good things in my videos. And this is my first time guys, and I make this video not for money, not for funds, but it is my habit making vlogs because I love doing videos, yes, like, and I have my musical and if you like to watch that, follow my account at _Kingston. So yeah, and I will gonna unbox today So here is the outside of my choker's bag. So here's the choker, as you can see there. And yeah, it's a Hello Kitty, guys. So let's open. And there's the choker. So before I start this unboxing of chokers necklace, my language for all of my episodes will be Tagalog and English because I am a Filipino. The first choker is this one. Like in the middle like that. This is the first one. And there's a flower, like a necklace. They all have the same flower.